figure out what they were going to do for the most competitive event in the land, the Rock Chalk Review. They made lists and lists of ideas and competitors, but they couldn't think of anything good enough.
Okay, here's an idea. Adam and Eve themed show. What? Everybody's naked. It's green. It's environmentally friendly.
I like it.
We can get away with that because it is environmentally friendly. Yes. And then we can find like sustainable materials like recycled newspaper and make curtains, and like recycled plastic and recycled sequins. Love sequins. Yes. Recycled glitter. It'll be great, and then we can do our whole show in the grass. Age of Aquarius, age of Aquarius. And it'll totally bring in that whole like Lawrence hippie crowd.
Yes,
Yeah.
it will.
Who wants to see more Greeks at Rock Chalk? Anyways, I mean, seriously, no one. No one wants. Well, you know what? I don't care what we do, just as long as we both know I'm gonna be the star of the show. What do you guys think of that?
No, don't let her do it.
I don't like it.
Okay, well, I have a better idea.
What?
How about the rainforest rap? Welcome to the jungle.
The jungle.
Like all the animals and stuff?
Yeah. It's all like lions and tigers and bears.
Oh my.
Yeah, like it's like, welcome to the jungle. It's so exciting, exotic and mysterious, and we are mighty. You want an adventure.
Yeah.
That was my rap. I like it. Messed it up. But we can do it better. We can do it better. Whatever. You're like it at 2, Katie. Let's take it up to like 20,005 pounds. So, I like the rap. I think the rap is good, but I think we should do all songs from Flight of the Conchords backwards. Yes! Backwards!
Yes! Or
genius.
sticking with the theme, say y'all. It's yes backwards.
Say. Okay, 2 things. Listen up. 1, Saya is not yes backwards. That's dumb. And 2, sorry. Why do you kill everything I create? Always naysaying. Everything I create, you kill it. I'm gonna dig a hole, put all my ideas in it.
Talk to the hands.
You ruin it. Everything. You ruin it.
Okay, well, I have a better idea. Okay, how about we do one-hit wonder songs like my personal favorite, Total Eclipse of the Heart.
Yes.
Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit lonely and you're never coming around.
Yes, I
Yes.
love that song. I love it. But anyways, one-hit wonders, that's good. But let's like take it up a notch again, like Emerald with the whole like bam up a notch thing.
All right.
And let's do one-hit wonders by artists who lip sync. Yes, like those guys who did the Macarena back in like 3rd grade. They were all like. So good. They were like,
Yeah, but no one knows the words. I don't speak Spanish. No one. Rock Chalk is about the lyrics, and we don't know. So, you know what? I think really we should just put the theme aside for now and start talking about the setting. Setting is very important. Setting is so important for this show. I have seen shows at a hotel, underwater, space theme. No, those don't do it for me. There's not enough atmosphere in those places. No. I've been thinking about this for a while now. So don't shoot me down immediately, please.
okay, well, okay, I'll be careful.
The wagon wheel. Rock Chalk